This is how to withdraw on Payeer. In this video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process of how to withdraw your money directly to your bank account in Nigeria. On this platform, you can withdraw to exchange like Binance. You can transfer money, that is using different cryptos that you can see here. To start with, you need to fund your account. To fund your account, you can give somebody your account number, which is what you are seeing up here. You can see my account is funded. I have $3.27, and you can see each of the wallet on this platform. That is, you have Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, Litecoin wallet, SRP, Doge, and so on and so forth. So you can fund each of these wallets. For instance, if you want to deposit on BTC, just click deposit. Look at it. You pick this wallet, give it to the person that will deposit for you. That's how you deposit. So the same thing applies to all this. So there are two ways to deposit. But how do you transfer money out? I want to transfer money to my Binance account. Then from my Binance, I will explain how you transfer the money to your bank account in Nigeria. You see my Payeer link below the description of this video. You also see my Binance link full of bonuses for you, and you can earn free cryptos if you use that link. The first thing I'll be showing you is to transfer money from this my dollar wallet to my Litecoin. To do that, you click exchange. You select where the money is on dollar. Then you select where the money is going. Scroll down, the money is going to my Litecoin. Still on the same platform. I want to debit all the amount, $3.27. This is the amount I'm going to get as at this point. And this is the charges. Each of the wallet you are transferring to will give you different exchange rate. It depends on the current pricing of the cryptos you are transferring. As you can see, I later decided to exchange from my dollar wallet to my USDT wallet. This is the transaction because of the charges. It pays me to get 3.2 USDT instead of getting $3 Litecoin. So if you check my balance, you see that there is no money here again. If you look for USDT, this is where money is now. The first thing I just did now was to move money around, but it is also important for you to note that when you are doing exchange on Payeer, each of these wallet transfer that you want to do are the maximum amount that you must have before you can do transfer to each of the wallet. But there's no way you won't see one way to transfer, most especially if you use USDT to do your transfer. So there's money in my USDT account now. The total balance you see here is the total balance you have on all your wallet together. So the next thing I'm going to be taking you through is move money from my USDT to my Binance account. I can click withdraw here, or I click transfer here, but let me click withdraw here. I click withdraw. You can see that it shows transfer. So withdraw and transfer, they are the same. I will need to go and pick my wallet from Binance and paste it here and decide on the network according to my destination and the amount I want to transfer. So you can see this is my Binance. To get your wallet where the money is going on Binance, you click deposit crypto. Don't forget the objective is to move the money to my bank account in Nigeria. I'm transferring money to USDT wallet. I'll pick BNB Smart Chain. It is important to note this. You copy the wallet, note the network you are using. You go back to Payeer, drop the wallet. The network we are using is BEP20. Ensure it is the same, otherwise you lose your money. The total amount I want to transfer is the whole of the amount. The minimum amount I can transfer is $1. Definitely you can see this is the amount I will get. To complete this transfer, don't forget to check your wallet and ensure that your address is correct. That is the destination address, and the network is the same with the network of where the money is going. So all you need to do is to click send. Transaction was successfully completed. In terms of cost, it's too costly for average users. This is why I recommend ATM. I've done a lot of video about how to use and what you can do with ATM. You will see my ATM link below the description of this video. If you use that link, ATM will give you $1 gift for that. You can see the amount has been zeroized. You can see also that I've gotten emails, Payeer withdrawal, debited from your account. You can see another email just came from my Binance account. Binance deposit confirmed. Look at it. Your deposit of this amount is confirmed. If you check inside Binance, look at this, the money, $2.02. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So for you to finally transfer the money to your account in Nigeria, you click trade, you come to P2B bank transfer, you click this place. You'll be able to now select. A lot of people that want to collect this coin from you, they are Nigeria and they will credit your account and you get your money in Naira denomination directly to your account in Nigeria. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. You get to see whenever I publish my new video every week. Ensure you watch the next video. how to transfer money from ATM to Payeer. You'll be able to see the second video about 9 platforms that will pay you using ATM and how to use your ATM account to get money directly to your bank account in Nigeria. Also, don't forget to use my Binance link to claim your gift of dollar bonus. You see the link below the description of this video. ATM will also give you $1 for using my link. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.